Get ready. 5 seconds. 80 words per minute. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to say a few words on the governor's address this morning. The governor has given us an idea of the various measures to be undertaken by government for the welfare of the people of this state. Many important subjects have not been included in it. Nevertheless, it contains information about a few schemes. It was to be brief in my speech. Let me first refer to the public distribution system. I think it is the duty of the government to supply all essential articles through fair price shops at cheap prices, so that it may be helpful to the poor, especially to those who are below the poverty line. No doubt the rich people can pay higher prices for these articles in the open market, but the poor people are now put to lot of difficulties. The government should therefore take such steps as are necessary to supply all essential articles to the poor people at cheap prices through fair price shops. With these words, I conclude my speech. Dear sirs, we are obliged to you for your letter. As desired, we enclose a price list of the articles that we sell for your information. In this connection, we may tell you that we shall be prompt in our dealings. As soon as we receive orders, we shall give personal attention to the matter and send the goods ordered as early as possible. If the goods sent are not in good condition, we shall be pleased to send our representative to look into the matter and to do whatever is necessary. You may kindly arrange to send back the goods which were not ordered by you. We shall take necessary steps to see that such things do not repeat. Yours faithfully. Sir, please refer to the communication dated 2nd February regarding booking air tickets by Air India. In this regard, I would like to say that instances are still being brought to the notice of this ministry that air tickets are being booked through foreign airlines in preference to Air India. Since Air India is the national carrier, it is desirable that all air tickets, especially those booked by government departments as well as by public sector undertakings and state governments are booked through Air India only. This will result in savings in valuable foreign exchange and increase Air India's revenues. Suitable instructions in this regard may be issued to all concerned and a copy sent to this ministry. Yours faithfully,